Hey everyone. Here are some tips to think about when depreciating your fixed assets. Know what to depreciate. Figure out if the device is a short-term or long-term device, or if it is a low-cost device. This will help you decide what to depreciate. Know what the depreciation factors are. Know what the useful life of the device is and how long you are planning to use the device. Once you have decided this, you can then calculate the salvage value of the devices too. Automate your depreciation. Have a system that calculates the depreciation of your devices automatically for you. This can be set by entering key factors such as purchase cost, life cycle of the device, and the percent of depreciation per year. Calculate and store asset information using a dedicated software. Doing this will help you to keep track of the information that is generated from calculating your depreciation value of your assets. Make sure that you have both the expected and actual depreciation values. Regularly depreciate your fixed assets. Have a system in place so that you are regularly checking your fixed assets. This will help you keep track of everything that you have and all changes that need to be made. For more tips and information on asset management, check out the links below.